Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up one of these wireless karaoke speakers with two microphones. Look at that little guy. Does it work pretty good? Stay with us and we'll show you how to use it. Here it is. Retro wireless karaoke speaker. Two microphones. It says it has 12 hours playtime. You can sing along anywhere, 6 different voices. We'll open this little guy up and let's see how it works, okay? Here we are. The AIW Retro Wireless Karaoke Speaker with 2 microphones. It says it has up to 12 hours playtime. Do it anywhere with the included wireless mics. Easily portable and built-in hand strap on the radio. 6 voice change modes. Voice change mode, that sounds interesting. Let's open this little guy up and see what we can do with it here. Here's our little instruction manual. All right. I like that. Pretty good little manual. It's two-sided. Okay. Tells you about charging the batteries. See what it says about charging the battery. It says a red light will come on while charging. Once charging is complete, the indicator light will turn off. Okay. That over there. See if we can get this top out here. There is your USB charging cable. Once again, it's USB-C that plugs into the microphones and the radio. Other end's just a regular USB. Put that over here out of the way. There's your radio. All right. Nice little guy, isn't it? On-off button right there. Forward and reverse. Back. Microphones. Looky here. 2 of them. And it says that when you power these on, the radio and the microphone will pair up automatically, okay? So let's do that right now. On the back here is where your charging cable goes in. There's a slot for a memory card right there. If you want to plug it in, you can play something that you have on your memory card. Let's see what we can do here. Let's turn this guy on. Hold it down for a couple seconds.
Powering on.
All right. Turn on your microphone. It's on. Test, 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 test. There's your volume up, volume down. This is your changing your voice modes, okay? Your voice effects. Let's change it. Test, test, test. Test, 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 test. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. I like that. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Oh. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Okay, you see all of them. I'm not going to sing for you, okay, on karaoke, so I think I would probably chase all y'all off. You wouldn't want to listen to me, but there that is, the microphone. Now, this thing has, let's turn this microphone back off for now. Hold it down for a couple seconds. The blue light goes off, okay? Now, this little guy has, it says hold the power button down for a couple of seconds, and it changes to different modes. FM radio and Bluetooth and get what they all are. Let me see if I can find them in here. Yeah, I know they're in here. Two microphones, 12 hours of playtime. The speaker will make a sound when the battery is low. Do not play the speaker while you're charging it, it says, okay? Where are we? Here we go, modes. Press twice to change the speaker current mode. Modes include Bluetooth, FM radio, memory card, and while you're in the FM mode, you can press it again to search for a station. All right, let's see what we got here. We got it on. Let's push this down for 2 seconds. There's your volume button right there. Up and down. Okay, right there. Can't get it to find a radio station, but I'm out in the country, so radio stations are not real easy to find out here. Press twice, it says. Now press it once. Press it once to find a station. Not finding a radio station, is it? Like I said, I'm out in the country, so it's not easy to find. Memory card. Here. I got a memory card here. Plugs right in the back. It uses the little mini memory card. Plug it in. I had that song already on there. Pretty good, isn't it? Listen, that's wide open. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Hear it. Now it's at Bluetooth. I need to get my phone out and we can hook it up to Bluetooth. I'll show you how to do that too. What you're going to look for in the Bluetooth is ding, 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 ding. AIW, and then it's some other words after it, but AIW, and then you can play stuff off your phone onto here. Speakers in the back right there, so. Radio. Press it twice again. Now you can go forward, and see, I only got one song. Backwards. That's pretty good, doesn't it? I think we'll turn it down a little bit. I think we'll go to Bluetooth and see what I can find on my phone to play it, okay? Hearing. That's in the Bluetooth mode, so. I'll get my phone out and we'll show you how to do that, okay? Okay, I've got Bluetooth turned on the radio, on the speaker, so let's go find it up here. Bluetooth. Off, and that's on. We're looking for right there, AIW. See that? Click on that. It's pairing. It's paired. There you go. Connected. Connected. You heard it? Now let's see if we can play some music here. I think I have that same song. I know that song's not copyrighted, so right there it is. So it seems to work pretty good, doesn't it? Stop it. All right. All right, there it is. Bluetooth speaker, 2 microphones. You hear it playing. That's on the memory card that's playing. So sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I think you'll like this. Let me turn this down a little bit. Now, there's a link in the description below to Amazon. I'm an Amazon associate, and you can go check on this up there. If you get up there and decide you don't want this, anything you search for and go find anything you're looking for. And if you buy anything, I get a small percentage, and there's no extra cost to you on that, okay? So there we are. Go check out the playlist called Speakers. You'll find this under there, and more up there and more coming. So check it out and see you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.